It's the end of June. It's June 30th, and today it is humid, and I am not going uptown to walk. So what I've done is I've done a mile on the treadmill, and I think that's good enough for today. All right, the very end of June here, or actually it is. We're into the first week of July actually, and I got this all tallied up. This is June's wellness journey tally. The miles that I walked was 100.10. The actual days of 10,000 or more steps was 10, which I'm really happy about. I'm just going to keep going for it. And the actual steps that I walked were 244,273. Now, it is down a little bit, but the humidity would kick in here and there, and, you know, the achy joints being over 60, that sort of thing. Now, I am just 60 right now, but you know what? When you get close to your birthday, like a couple months, I call it over. I no longer am doing the calendar as far as marking down if I use the treadmill or if I walk uptown. I am committed to walking just about absolutely every single day. And if I don't do it, I know I miss it. And there's probably a reason why I don't do it. Either I overdid it the day before, or we have something planned. So I'm no longer going to be doing that calendar. So I just thought if you even cared, I just thought I'd throw that in there. All right, now on to July. All right, so for my meals this week, I cooked up 2 beef chuck roasts, and I'm dividing up the meat amongst some meals here. So I've got roast beef cut up. I have some Knorr Alfredo noodles and home canned green beans. And that is what I'm going to be eating for my suppers, and try to portion control and not all the snacking. It's gotten a little out of control. And for my breakfast, I made an egg bake with ham and cheese. And for a late night snack, because if I don't have a late night snack, I'm going to be craving things that I shouldn't be having. Sugar-free vanilla pudding. So not that it's going to work 100%, but it's available to me. I'm only human. But yep, I just took this out of the oven, so I'll be cutting it up and putting it in a container and put it in the refrigerator. Friends, I'm popping in here just letting you know that I personally feel I had an epic fail for pretty much the whole month of July. It started out at the end of June, kind of slowly worked its way in, and so now I'm going to have to do a reset for myself. I'm blaming it mostly on myself. The humidity, not being able to walk outside that much. I can't handle the humidity. I don't really know many who can. We had my grandson over for a short time. We had a lot of, we enjoyed having him over. But of course, being a grandma, I buy all kinds of junk food. And do we eat it? Yes. And like I said, I'm going to have to do a total reset for August. So what I'm going to do, this isn't quite the very, very end of July. I have a week and a half here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have to try to get back into that routine again. So I'm going to start getting up early again, getting on that treadmill, can't even talk. I'm going to start out with 1 mile and then work myself back up to 2, and we'll go from there. Have I gained weight? Probably. I have not even weighed myself. I am not even going to. I can just feel it. I can feel it. I can feel it in my joints. I can feel that things didn't go too good. So I'm going to end this video. In the description box below, I am going to put my playlist for my wellness journey if you're interested in watching any of the other videos. And yeah, like I said, I'm going to wrap this up. I want to thank you so much for joining me during this, hanging in there with me, giving me some encouragement here and there. And if you folks like this kind of content, please subscribe to my channel, give the videos a thumbs up, hit that notification bell if you're interested in seeing more videos. And I want you folks to make it a really great day.